Hi guys, I just want to give you a quick update on this week's assignments. On Saturday, you have a sentence outline due, which you'll post to the discussion board so we can share it with everyone in the class and respond to each other's outlines. And then on Sunday, you have a body paragraph due. So I can start to see how you'll develop your body paragraphs within your paper. To help you guys with both of these assignments, I've posted a couple of resources. You'll see here instructions on how to write a how to write a sentence outline. And you know what? I'm going to move it up here. Please read through this document. I think if you read through the document, it's about a page and a half. It's pretty clear instructions on how to do that. And then I've also posted a couple of sample sentence outlines from students who've written them in past years. So what you'll notice is that the titles included a revised introduction based on the introduction you wrote last week is also included, the thesis statement, and then we have for each body paragraph a topic sentence and at least 2 supporting quotes. Often body paragraphs will have more quotes or the quotes will end up being paraphrased. But to get us started organizing the information, we just want to put the quotes in so we can start to see what ideas fit where, and we can always change it around if we need to. Okay, so take a look at this sample and let me know if you have any questions. We'll go back now to week 15. And you'll see in week 15, I've also added a couple of sample body paragraphs. These are also rough draft body paragraphs written by students in past semesters. So again, you can kind of get an idea of what this will look like. Please note that each of these body paragraphs include a topic sentence claim. If you do your topic sentences in your sentence outline, you've already pretty much got that done. Maybe you'll just revise it a little bit. References from at least 2 separate texts. So the 2 quotes that you include in your sentence outline from 2 different texts will be in the paragraph. You're going to add that critical voice that connects the ideas and the texts, and a concluding sentence or 2 that wraps up the discussion. So these 2 are already done in your sentence outline. You're just going to be developing them more with that critical voice and a concluding sentence. Okay, so you can go ahead and take a look at these 2 different paragraphs taken from 2 different papers on different topics. Both of these are combining, this one's combining J.D. Vance, Hillbilly Elegy, with the scholarly article. Sample paragraph 1 is combining 2 texts that we haven't read this semester. Walt Disney's biography by Neil Gabler and the student scholarly article on skateboarders. So pretty cool. You can take a look at these, and just a reminder, this is what is due on Sunday.